Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve example 7 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In my previous videos, I have completed the distance and section formula, examples 1 to 6 and exercise 7.1 from the same chapter. Quickly, let us begin with the video. Example 7 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry says, in what ratio does the point -4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points A, that is -6, 10 and point B given as 3, -8. So here they have given us a point which divides a line segment given by point A and B. So let me show you here by drawing a figure. So we have a line segment AB whose coordinates are given as -6, 10 and 3, -8. Here there is a given point, let us name it as P, whose coordinates are -4, 6. So we have to find out in what ratio does this point divide the line segment AB. So basically here they have not given us the ratio, but they have given us the point as compared to our previous example, that is example number 6, where they had given us the ratio and they asked us to determine the point. So again here we will apply the section formula and find out the ratio here. So before applying section formula, let us assume the ratio in which this point P divides the line segment AB be K is to 1. Usually the ratio it divides is in the ratio of M1 is to M2, but here let us assume the ratio to be K is to 1. We can also assume the ratio to be M1 is to M2. Both the methods are same. Problem solving will be easier when we assume the ratio to be K is to 1. So here let us assume the ratio to be K is to 1. First let us write down, given the points, that is point A -6, 10 and point B given as 3, -8 be the line segment, and let point P given as -4, 6 divide the line segment AB in the ratio K is to 1. So let us first write down the section formula here. So section formula is given by M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2, and y coordinate is given by M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M. So this is the section formula which is equal to coordinates of point P. Here point P coordinates are given as -4, 6. So this is +6. Please correct it. It is -4, 6. So now since we have assumed the ratio to be K is to 1, then here M1 value is equal to K and M2 value will be equal to 1. And also let us assume, let point A given by -6, 10 be x1 y1 coordinate and point B given as 3, -8 be x2 y2, right? So now we have to use the section formula which is equal to the coordinates of point P. So point P coordinates are -4, 6 is equal to, let us use a section formula here, M1 value is K into x2 is 3 plus M2 value is 1 into x1 is -6 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 is K plus M2 is 1. And here, and the y coordinate will be, what is M1 value? It is K, and y2 is -8 plus M2 value is 1 into y1 value is 10 divided by M1 plus M2, that is K plus 1. So now simplifying further, here we have K into 3 is 3K plus 1 into -6 will be -6 divided by K plus 1, and the y coordinate will be K into -8 is -8K plus 10 divided by K plus 1. Let us equate x coordinate part to -4 and y coordinate part to 6. In both the cases we will obtain the K value which will be same, right? So let us equate -4 is equal to 3K -6 divided by K plus 1. So cross multiplying you will get -4 into K plus 1 is equal to 3K minus 6. So opening the bracket, minus 4 into k will be minus 4k, minus 4 into plus 1 will be minus 4 equal to 3k minus 6. So sending the k terms to left hand side and bring all the constants to right hand side. So we get minus 4k. Here plus 3k comes to left hand side to become minus 3k is equal to minus 6, and minus 4 will become plus 4. So minus 4k and minus 3k will become minus 7k equal to minus 6 plus 4 will become minus 2. So let us cancel minus and minus on both the hand side. So we get 7k equal to 2. So send this 7 to right hand side. So we get k value as equal to 2 by 7. So therefore, this 2 by 7 which is in the fraction form can be written as 2:7 in ratio form. I think this already you know. So since we had assumed earlier ratio to be k:1, so therefore we can write k:1. So this k value will become k:1 is equal to 2:7. So this is the ratio. So this is the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment AB, that is 2:7. So therefore you can write down in ratio 2:7 the point minus 4,6 divide the line segment joining the points A minus 6,10 and B 3,-8. So this is how we solve the example 7. So basically either you can assume the ratio to be m1:m2 or k:1. If you assume the ratio to be k:1, the simplification will be much easier as we have done the problem here. So if you have any further doubts, do comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving example 8 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7 coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.